It's not very often that you get something for nothing, especially here on the internet. However, here's genuinely something for free, and that is an extra note or more with only one pick or sweep of a string or strings. When used correctly, picking a string, then hammering down a second finger on the same string gives you two notes for only one pick. According to Wikipedia, a hammer-on, which is known as, is a playing technique performed on a stringed instrument, especially a fretted stringed instrument such as a guitar, by sharply bringing down a fretted hand finger on the fingerboard behind the fret, causing the note to sound. When done right, this can really enhance your sound. This even works when changing some chords. Like everything with guitars, it's much easier if I show you. Basically, the whole idea behind this hammer-on malarkey is pick a fret, any fret. Let's go for number 6, 6th fret, bottom string. So you play the sound of the string and hammer your finger on. So here we go. The idea is to get your finger, your hammering finger, just behind the fret, right behind it. If you go too far, you're going to dampen the string. Or if you go too far back, you're going to do a similar thing. So basically what you want to do is hammer it down. As I said, the whole word is hammer. Don't place it, because placing you're going to dampen the string before the string sounds. So you want to do as hard as you can, fast as you can. Not like. Like the whole idea, I'll say it once more. Play the string. Don't know what happened there. Play the string. A hammer down with your feet behind. This technique also works with chords. So basically what we're going to do now is just, A minor. Let's just place our finger on the second string up behind the first fret. And to form an A minor chord, just go. Moving up to the E, same thing on forming an E chord. Look, we love it. As I said, it can be done with most chords. However, the likes of G, maybe C, just play around with it, see what you get. You'll be amazed at what you can discover all by yourself. I hope you got something from the video. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a message, ask me a question. I probably won't know the answer, but I'll find out for you. So all that's left to say is, hey Michelle!